Hey guys, welcome to the video. I've done this because there's a bit of a stir going around the community about the latest version 1.2.4 app causing the app to crash or having lost connections with the drone. So we're going to test out a few different things on the Mini 2 today, quick shots, flying in sports mode into the wind, and see if we can get any disconnections or the app to crash using this new app update. And then I'll also at the end of the video show you what to do if you are experiencing any crashes on the app. I did this and it's actually solved the issue for me, so stay tuned. So I'm now going to switch off the app, keep it on in the background and move on to the weather app, which I have. So the app is running in the background, UAV forecast is now on. I've still got that DJI app in the background, so I've not closed it down completely. Go back onto it and there it is, straight back on. So that app hasn't crashed for me. Let's just turn these grid lines off so we've got a bit of a clearer view. And then we're just going to be testing out some different features on this drone to see if there's any problem with this firmware. So in this area we're flying today, there is some wind as you just saw from that UAV app, and we're going to be testing out some different features, but there's also a high interference of where I'm standing currently at the moment, as you'll see from these graphs here, lots of interference. So we're going to be doing some different things and see if any of these functions on the drone with this app update cause it to crash or disconnect, just as it's been mentioned in a few of the videos. But for me personally, it's been absolutely fine. Everything's working even better than it was doing before. So it does seem to be related to Android devices, not iOS. But even if you are on Android, stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you some different things you can do, and it actually helps prevent any crashes on that app. When I did experience it in the past, I contacted DJI. I've done a couple of things they've mentioned to do and it's worked fine. So whilst flying, I noticed some building work going on, so let's test out a quick shot. We'll go for a helix in this area. We're going to lock on to this large machinery item here in the middle, and then we'll set the helix up, press it, let's go. So no problem there. As you can see, I'm using the latest up-to-date firmware for this app, and also the app version is 1.2.4. Let's try FPV mode now, see just a quick through shots on this, see if there's any problems with the app, any disconnections, or if this app does crash. But as you can see, we've had nothing, there's no stuttering on the picture, the signal is still really strong, there is no information or warning messages about any disconnects from the controller, so it's absolutely working fine for me. And let me know in the comments, is it actually working alright for you? If you got any problems with it, have you experienced anything? It'll be really good to hear from you. So let's put it back into follow mode, and then we're just going to now fly into the wind in sports mode, see if that causes any problems for this app. I'm not flying this fast as it's sped up, but I'm just following this car here. And then on the return, I'm actually going to find a car, which you'll see this little black car coming in. So I'm going to go full GTA classic mode and just follow this car up the road here to the end, up to the junction. Flying with sports mode again, completely smooth, decent footage. This is the 4K from the memory card, and it's absolutely no problem whatsoever. So I don't 100% see what all these issues are from a few different people online saying that this app is crashing all the time, causing loads of disconnects. But for me personally, there's been absolutely nothing wrong with this. It's absolutely fine. We've not had any disconnects, no signal problems, and we've done quick shots, flying into the wind, sports mode, FPV. So I've tested out majority of all the main features on this drone with this new app, and there's nothing. So stick around, we're just going to go through now, if you are having problems, some of the things you can do to actually try and solve any issues with the app. So how can we prevent app crashes? If you go onto your DJI FLY app and under settings, you'll see here you've got clear cache. I've got 2 gig of cache memory stored on my phone within the app. So I've got 1.77 gig of video cache alone. When I was flying a while back and the app crashed on me, I actually checked it out afterwards and I had over 18 gig of cache memory stored within this app on my phone. So if you've got an old phone or you're low on storage, that's going to have a big impact when you're flying. It might cause any crashes because the app is obviously storing a lot of cache memory. So get into a habit of clearing that regularly. Make sure you transfer your videos and photos over to your whatever workflow you do. Then once you've done that, clear it out, and then you should experience a much better app performance. What DJI also said, if that doesn't work, just delete the app. and then reinstall it, and then you shouldn't have any problems. Make sure your firmware and your app update is up to date, the latest one. But since doing so, I've not had one crash, and I've had no disconnects from the controller to the phone. It has been completely rock solid. So follow those steps and let me know, does that help you out? The DJI Mini 2 is an amazing drone, and if it was any problems, just like I have done before, I would definitely mention it. But it seems to only be happening to a couple of people, and also on particular devices, so make sure you follow them. Any problems, let me know in the comments section below. And also there's actually a Valentine's Day special on the Mini 2, so you actually get a free gift, and I've looked into it, it's in a travel storage bag, so you're getting that if you get it right now for the same price, £419 for the Mini 2, £549 for the Fly combo. You are getting that extra travel bag as well, so that's ace as well. So go and check out the link in the description if you want to go and buy that Mini 2. So far this app update has been perfect. I'm just waiting for another firmware update to come out and see what that adds, and then once it does, I'll let you know. Take care guys, subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.